Okay, so well, it's based around this little 808 line, and then I added things to that. There are a couple samples in here from things because I'm myself. There's a little snare drum here from Ants Marching by Dave Matthews Band because it starts out with the snare drum, and then this vocal chop, and I'll see if we can figure out what the chop comes from.
Awesome. All right, go for it,
All
man.
right, cool.
Wow, give it up for Sam. Awesome work, man.